In FBA 70, the National Electrical Code, Section 210.11 states that branch circuits shall be rated to provide the required amperage to supply the connected load. Section 220.3b9 states that receptacle circuits supplying appliance load shall have an ampacity of not less than the maximum load to be served. And Section 605.7 says receptacle circuits for commercial occupancy shall have an ampacity of not less than 20 amps for each 180 volt amps of connected load. Now let's analyze a scenario involving cubicle wiring to understand these code sections better. Suppose there is an office with 60 cubicles, each equipped with 4 receptacles, labeled A, B, C, and D. The electrician has wired these cubicles using only 5 20-amp circuit breakers, a configuration that needs evaluation based on the National Electrical Code. To begin, it's important to understand the capacity of each circuit. Each 20-amp circuit breaker at 120 volts can supply up to 2400 volt amps, calculated as 120 volts multiplied by 20 amps. Next, calculate the total connected load. There are 60 cubicles with 4 receptacles each, totaling 240 receptacles. Each receptacle is rated for 180 volt amps, so the total connected load is 240 receptacles multiplied by 180 volt amps per receptacle, which equals 43,200 volt amps. To determine the required number of circuits, divide the total load of 43,200 volt amps by the capacity per circuit, which is 2400 volt amps. This results in 18 circuits being required. Because the electrician used 5 circuits, this is not occurred. The initial wiring configuration had Circuit 1 powering all 60 receptacles labeled A, Circuit 2 powering all 60 B receptacles, Circuit 3 powering all 60 C receptacles, and Circuits 4 and 5 each powering 30 D receptacles. This setup is inadequate based on the load calculation and code requirements. An appropriate solution involves providing 5 circuits for each of the A, B, C, and D receptacles, totaling 20 circuits. This ensures that each set of receptacles has sufficient power without overloading the circuits. To elaborate on why the electrician's approach is incorrect, let's revisit the code. Section 605.7 of the National Electrical Code requires a minimum of 20 amps for each 180 volt amps of connected load in commercial occupancies. The electrician's statement that the code doesn't specify the number of receptacles per 20 amp circuit breaker is misleading. While the code might not explicitly state a maximum number of receptacles, it does specify the load requirements. The number of receptacles is implicitly limited by the volt-amp rating per receptacle and the total capacity of the circuit. The electrician's installation of 5 20-amp circuits for 240 receptacles, each rated at 180 volt amps, significantly violates code requirements. The load calculation reveals that at least 18 circuits are needed to safely distribute power. The electrician's setup could lead to overloaded circuits, posing a risk of overheating, breaker tripping, and potentially electrical fires. In summary, to correct the underpowered system, one needs to rewire the cubicles to meet the minimum requirements of the National Electrical Code, ensuring that the branch circuits are adequately rated for the connected load.